Alright guys, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff here from Maniology, it's not even funny. Welcome back, by the way. I didn't even say that, but welcome back, and hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I'm ready to just jump in to all of this stuff and have so much fun. So let's go. So I don't even know where to begin, but Maniology sent me a ton of stuff and I just want to go ahead and open everything and show you what we got. So I'm going to start here with this little pineapple tool that they gave me. I've been like following them on Instagram lately, and so this little guy right here is used for like picking up cotton balls, and then you can like hold it, you can use it to like fade on your nails, you can use it to clean off your little palettes here. So let me just go ahead and get to everything. I know that most of it's like Christmas designs on them, but we're gonna do like a winter nail look. So I actually ordered this myself. I got the black and white stamping polish, and then they sent me with everything, the smudge-free top coat and the sticky base coat. Ooh. And then I picked out the Snowflake Waltz Polish Collection, which is absolutely beautiful. And it came with such gorgeous colors, so I am excited to play with these, especially this one right here. This is called Swatch Me. No, this is called Magic Hour. And it is just this beautiful like champagne color. I cannot wait to get this on my nails, and no matter what color combination I use, it's gonna go beautifully with these. So put those off to the side. And then I also picked out the Santa Workshop starter kit. So this has like everything that you need to stamp with, and it comes with this plate. I will, when I am using them, I know it's gonna be really hard to sort of show these because the glare, but it's got like some snowflakes and sweaters and little cute little creatures on here, and I'm probably gonna include one of them in the nail looks today. It comes with obviously a instruction manual, comes with your swiping tool, your stamper, and I forget which one this is called right now, but I will let you know in a second. I think it's just called like your rectangle stamper. And then you get 2 stamping polishes, and this one doesn't have a name on it, but it looks pink, but it's actually red. Oh, the little sticker came off of the box. It is called Quasar. What? I'm just gonna show you, and you can tell me what that says. Yeah, B159. And then we got another beautiful metallic shade here, and this one is called Fleece. I just saw this on their website. It's gorgeous. Okay. Oh man. Ooh, you might have a competitor there, honey, because that one is gorgeous. All right, and then this I actually got from my friend, this palette, when we did our little exchange, and it's a winter one, but it also has like some snowflakes, and it's got gingerbread men and reindeer, snow globes, like so beautiful. And then I picked out this tartan stamping plate, or plaid, whatever you want to call it. I thought this would be really cool for winter nails. And then I got this one. I think it's called Sweet Treats is this one. And so it's got like hot chocolate and candies and gingerbread man. And I wish I would have left the blue film on here for you guys to see. I'm gonna hold it like this so you can kind of get a look. Yes, hi, that's me. Oh god. Oh, you want to see what my shirt says? It says, when you're dead inside, but it's the holidays. So yeah, this is the other one that we got. So I'm just gonna pull these all out actually, and then I'm gonna set up my desk and we're gonna get started. So I have just like a really cute nail idea that I want to do, and hopefully it's still, I got this scraper too, someone sent this to me, but I just hope that this nail look is still good for like winter time. It doesn't necessarily have to be like Christmassy, and hopefully you guys still are looking for nail looks like this. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna clean everything off and I'll be back. So I'm gonna start by using their sticky base and just adding this to all of my nails. And remember, this is just regular, I mean, it's not regular polish, but it does not need to be cured in a lamp. So I think the difference between stamping polish is that it dries just a little bit quicker than regular polish, which is a good thing. That way you can like transfer it on the nail. I have not painted my nails with regular polish in a long time. It's probably been like 5 years. So I still do my toes with regular polish, but just not my nails. But now that means I have to wait for everything to dry in between. It might take me a little bit longer to do this than I had anticipated. And yes, that is a sparkle. Get out of here. I don't know about the brush on here. It's kind of like all stuck together. It's a little annoying. So these are the BT Art Box pre-buffed nail tips. I did them on my left hand, and basically during Christmas they all popped off, including the nails that I had on my right hand. I just, you know, opening presents and boxes and cooking and cleaning and being really rough with my hands. So I went ahead and I put them on here because I'm just better at doing my left hand, and I wanted to really give this like a fair chance. So you definitely forget about the smell of regular nail polish, that's for sure. Sorry, I'm trying to like show you this, but you know, honestly, you don't need to see me paint every single nail, so I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to top all my nails with ballet flats, which it looks brown in the bottle, but once it dries it becomes this really beautiful mauve shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat all of my fingers with this, and I think I'm mostly just going to be using the Santa's Workshop plate. So all right, let me get to painting. It is a very different way of painting with regular polish than with gel polish. It's just so funny, but you really want thin layers, and I honestly don't even think, like, this is totally a one coat polish. I don't think it needs more than one. But like as you're painting, like the polish is drying. Like it's already in that drying phase. So you have to be careful not to like scrape it up again. And this stuff dries like super quick, which on the one hand is great. But yeah, you can totally mess it up if you are going too slow, or you try to like go over it again to like smooth things out. Like you can mess it up. But luckily it comes off your skin way easier than gel polish. I redid my thumb because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do there, so I gotta wait for the base coat to dry. But that's that on this, and then when we come back we're gonna start stamping. Actually, that's not true. I need to apply this color, Fleece. So the colors I'm using is Ballet Flats Fleece. I'm gonna use Bam That's White. And then I'm also going to use this gel art liner from Bella Vita. I don't know what the color is. It came in my kit. It's just the color 12 from that kit, but it is like this gorgeous gold shade. And you'll see, I'm just going to kind of outline a few things with this. So, okay. So here's what I did on my thumb. It's kind of like this abstract French, and I used the fleece color. So I'm going to do that on my index finger here. Focus on my finger, honey. So I don't expect any of them to look similar. You know, that's not really the point. It's more just like, I don't really know what it is, like, just paint it on and, I don't know, make it look cute, right? So I'm kind of bringing up the sides a little high here, and then just kind of drawing on the little bump. Kind of like a wavy texture. I don't really care, to be honest with you. It doesn't like, oh my gosh, are you serious? Just focusing on my damn nail polish bottle. So I hope you can see that though. I kind of just did like a wavy like line on here. I'm gonna do the same thing on my pinky. So let's put our pinky up. Pinkies up, ladies. Again, I'm kind of just like waving my brush across the top of the nail here, and then bringing it down. So I tried out the liner around the edge of this. I hated it. Not that I told you I was going to do that, but I just didn't like the way it looked. So it was I actually decided to go with 11 because the other one was too gold. And then this one is too similar to the tonality. And then all you see are like little specks of glitter that don't make sense. So yeah. So this is what we got so far. That's what we're going with. Now while these dry, I am going to start stamping. Let's get in here with our stamper. I'm going to start with white, and I'm going over the snowflakes that are right here. A little bit more polish down here. Sometimes if you put too much, I feel like it doesn't work, but I think that should be good. And then I found that when I go this way, it just works better for me. And then I found out I was squishing too hard, so I need to be just kind of like rolling this on there. Please pick up. Okay, it did. So it did pick up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my middle finger right here. Let's find the best spot. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, got a little messed up, but that's okay. She's cute. She is cute. Got the snowflakes on there. They look good. Okay, I'm just gonna use my little brush. I have a little bit of acetone over here. Whoops, I didn't mean to set that upside down. But I have a little acetone over here in my dish to just clean these little happy accidents up. And I love that. I think it looks really cute. Very nice. Looks really cute. We kind of missed a little snowflake down here, but that's okay. So now I gotta clean this off, and then we'll move on to the ring finger. So while we wait for this one to dry, I wanna add some little snowflakes like over the top of the French. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I need my white back, and let's try this one more time. I kind of want to get some of the big ones, you know, but we'll see. Here we go. Roll. Got it. We're going here. So I'm gonna I'm gonna turn my jelly stamper, and actually I think jelly stamper is like a brand of stampers, but I'm just gonna turn my stamper and go like this. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I should have gotten rid of the ones up top, but that's okay. I think I can kind of get rid of them with my brush, or maybe just add a couple more up there. There is one plate that has like just a singular snowflake on it, and I think that I might try to add a couple of those here and there on the nails, but that's what I'm going for. I just wanted like a couple snowflakes on the tip of the nails, and then like have something on the other one. So again, I gotta clean everything up, make sure this nail is dry, and then we'll come back and try to do that one. And that's honestly, like, that's it for the nail look. It's gonna be super simple. It's nothing crazy. Hey guys, so this is the nail look. Don't mind, I am covered in nail polish. I will remove that for pictures for you guys, of course. I really like the way this turned out, even though this was a labor of love for sure. But that's just because I need practice. Like, you know, everyone has to practice when it comes to trying something new. If I didn't mention, and I don't think I did, I'm actually an ambassador of Maniology. And I want to say, I'm just going to flip this over because there's a glare. Oh God, I need to clean that. I am an ambassador of theirs. So there is a discount code and a link down below that can save you 10% off everything at their website, except for sale items. Most companies are like that. If they're already giving you like a deep discount, they're not gonna, you know, give you like a crazy discount on top of that. But I am so thankful that they sent me all this stuff to try out. I know that I was like freaking out because it was hard. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard to get the hang of it at first, but once I did, I feel like I got it. I will say that I love these polishes. They dry super quick, they're easy to work with, and I really enjoyed using them. Like, I will use these on my toes. I use regular polish on my toes, so like I'll definitely be like using them, and I can't wait to buy some more stamping plates from them. I have a couple in my shopping bag right now that I want to buy because I really want to continue like honing in my skill of stamping. The reason why I like their company and their message is that they bring nail art to people that can't necessarily do nail art, you know? And I like that. Like, they give access to these beautiful plates to anyone and everyone, and they're not expensive. These plates are $8 a piece, which is super cheap. And of course, if you get a kit with polish and things like that, yeah, the price is a little bit more, but you don't need like all of this to do a super cute nail look. Maybe 2-3 polishes max and a plate that you like, and there you go. Like, you can complete a cohesive nail look with beautiful nail art. So once again, I will just go ahead and show you the nails. I know it's kind of hard because there's a glare, but I really like this champagne color. I'm very impressed with that. And the beige color, like, I was not expecting to like it as much as I do, but it's a really pretty nude set, and I am excited for all of my friends to see this as well. So thank you guys so much. I want to wish you a happy new year. I hope that 2023 brings you all the things that you wish for. Please subscribe. Gosh, I cannot wait to get to that goal of 5,000, and I have a huge huge giveaway planned for that. So if you're here, you're watching, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see videos like this and you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!